Yeah, you're right, guys and girls. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, sorry about that. So, just recording this in the garden at the moment. Looks beautiful, actually. Of the little dicky birds outside, the garden birds. And let's see if I can focus this in. So, about the shape. See if I can. Oh, so cute. So it's Christmas Day today. So this could be my Christmas Day special of all the little dicky birds in the garden. Looking lovely. On the 25th of December 2018. Let's go down a little bit. Alright, looks very nice, lovely dicky birds. And let's see if we can, don't think I can zoom this in there anymore, this lens, no. So I'm just testing out the Sony camera lens, the 55 to 210, looks very nice. And as you can see, yeah, it looks nice. Alright, there we go. So I've got this at 1 to 100 of a second. And it looks absolutely wonderful. f6.3. Minus 0.7 millimeters, and the ISO is at 800. So yeah, nice little bit of shade because it is a bit dark tonight. Well, today I should say, this morning. See if I can focus that in a bit more. There we go. That looks nice. Let's have a look through the viewfinder. See if I can get. That looks wonderful. Little birds. Ah, so sweet. I believe this is in 4K as well. They're all brown chested. And oh, knocked it over a little bit. And let me see if I can move this. Oh, is it a couple now? Alright, there we go. There we go. It's a whole family of them. They must be celebrating Christmas as well. Oh, so sweet. And can we just try and move this one slightly? There we go. Oh, and his little friend's popped up. That's pretty cool. Oh. Nice little bird there. I'm using the Nikon, not Nikon, the Sony 6300 camera. This is the new one I bought. And this is the new lens I just bought the other day as well. Well, last week, technically. Anyway, guys and girls, just a quickie anyway. Under 4 or 5 minute video. If you enjoyed this episode, do like, favourite, share, comment, and let's see if I can focus this in. This seems a bit yeah, there we go. So it's a little bit focused. Anyway, guys and girls, you stay safe, cheers for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.